got my neck back on.
What? Yeah, it's heavy. Yes.
What's happening?
You're a dumb
I want my gloves.
No, I'm okay.
Sure.
Yes.
You know, if you hit the ground, the first thing you're gonna do is put your hands down.
I better not hit the ground. I'll fucking kill you.
Oh yeah, you record for the Willie Hood Jr. camp.
We're gonna get you looking straight.
Give her your boots too while you at it.
You want the boots?
No.
I'll wear your heels.
If I fall and die, it's on you.
Yeah.
No, it's on him.
Instead of 5 minutes, we're going a half an hour away. You're not gonna make me fall, right?
Huh?
You're not gonna make me fall?
No, hell no.
Someone's about to see my coochie hole. Where do I hold you? Here?
Hold on around me. When we start moving, hold on to me like
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm gonna fall though. No, I don't like it. I hate it already. I already hate the ride.
Why?
My ass is uncomfortable.
It be like that on that motherfucker, don't it? You see a water bottle? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Is it as bad as you thought it would be?
No.
That's bullshit, ain't it? What the fuck?
Yeah. Slower.
That's what she said. Okay.
Yeah. 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 This is good. My asshole is killing me from sitting on this thing.
Probably not the most comfortable seat.
No. It's not. Oh my god.
Alright, that slow.
I like that. I like slow. Are we almost there? Thank God my asshole is hurting. What? Yeah, there. Ah!
I came from the mud. There's